Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I was trying some different styles for some earrings because I wanted them to have some wire. So what I'm gonna use is my little glass cube beads. I'm gonna use these, and what I'm gonna do is I'm only gonna use two because I'm gonna fill the space in about that much space with wires. So I'm going to wrap the wire inside of here, and hopefully it'll come out like I'm thinking it's going to come out. So I got to just figure out how far up I'm going to pinch the wire. So I'm going to do it about right here. I'm going to take it like about right there. So that's more than what I usually leave it. And then I'm going to just take it, pinch it about here because I want to wrap it up higher, which is about right there, maybe about right there, because I want to leave enough space so the bead will push up and I can wrap the wire in here. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna just do this about like that, and I'm gonna leave the wire, and then I'm gonna take another piece of wire, what I got right here, and I'm gonna take my end and roll it like that because what I wanted to do is hopefully hook onto the wire somehow. Like that, it's snapped on. So now I just got to figure out how to, so I'm going to take the wire and wrap it like so. And then I think I can push the bead against it and maybe wrap. See if that'll work. No matter how it comes out, the wire just never disappoints. So I'm going to just hold it like this. And I hope you guys can see that. Just holding the wire and wrapping it. So that's what I'm doing, holding it and wrapping it. And it's not filling in like I want to. What'll happen is at the top, that's why I left the wire like this, because once I start wrapping it around the top, I can wrap the wire around it and push it down so it'll make it even tighter. But I still want more wire around here. So I'm just holding the wire as I turn it and wrap it around there. Wrap it around these beads. Okay, now it's starting to do it for me. And I think what I want to do, well no, I still just want to keep it around here. And then, so that did wrap. Okay, so that worked out. And then I'm gonna take the end of it, the wire, and I'm gonna wrap it. Just kind of twist it inward to where it's closing off that part. And then I'm gonna take my pliers and try to squeeze it down between wire like that. And that's what it did. So no matter what the wire looks like, it's okay to me. And see, that's nice and tight. It's okay to me because I just like the way wire looks. So that came out good. So what I'm going to do with this part, just take some wire, keep wrapping it a couple more times. Just a nice little simple pair of earrings. And then I'm going to take it around here, bend that wire up, and then I'm going to clip it, bend it in, take my pliers, and that's in there like that. And that's exactly what I wanted. Just like this. Just a real simple, easy pair of earrings. I wonder, I'm going to do that one. I'll just leave it like this. Let's see. Yep. Just a real simple pair of earrings. Look. And that's all I wanted. Because I was looking at the glass beads and I was just like, I want to make something really simple out of these. Because I'm looking at all these beads and I'm like, okay, I'm going to make something out of y'all. Just hold on. Give me a minute so I can figure it out. And then these are just some leftover beads. And then no matter what the bead is, you can always make a really cute pair of earrings. So now I'm going to do the other one. And then hopefully it'll come out exactly like this one. So we got this one. And I'm going to take it and do it about right here. I think that's about right. And then I'm going to bend it. Let's see. It looks like it's about right. Start wrapping some wire. Yeah. And then I think what I'm going to do this time, I'm going to just take the wire and hold it. That way I got a better grip on it, and then start wrapping it like this. And then push that up. And then take the wire and wrap it. Even with that, it's a little loose, but that's okay. I got control of it. So we wrap it. And I'm going to still take the end of it, the wire, and turn it inward. And then close it into the wire. So I'm going to take this wire. It's still loose. It's not like it's tight. So I'm going to just wrap it. And it looks like it's looking like this one. So we're just going to wrap the rest of it. I'm going to take the end of it, turn it in, and then I'm going to take it and then, oops, and then push this wire, find a nice little space where I can close it into right here. Okay, so that closes it in. So now I'll take this wire at the top, let's straighten this up, and it looks, you can see it's loose. So once I wrap the top, and as I wrap the top, I'm pushing it down towards the bead, and see, that makes it nice and tight. So then we'll wrap it around here some more. And I think that's about right. A little bit more on this one than on this one, but that's still fine. And we will take this up, clip it, and we'll bend this wire, roll that in. And then close that up. Close that in and we go back. Yep, and that came out to be two nice little pair of earrings. And then what I'm going to do with the bottom part, if I don't put a charm or something on it, I generally fold it and close it on like that. And then take the wire and close it down on there like that. Make sure that's closed off. Cute little pair of earrings. I don't know if anybody else does that, but every time I make something, I'll be like, you know what, I could, I think I'm going to keep this. I think I'm going to wear this. Almost everything I make, I'll be like, you know what, I'm going to keep this. Okay, so that's that. Very simple. Really nice, though. They're simple, but they're elegant, right? Simple, but elegant. Trying to get them to stop moving. And these are just the glass beads. And it's really amazing how you can sit and then just put something together in a matter of seconds. And this was like, what, 12 minutes? You know, just thinking about putting something together. A couple of beads with a little wire. And then put an ear wire on it, fish hook. And then you literally have a pair of earrings. You literally have a pair of earrings. All right. And that's like really cute. Very simple, but really cute. And you can just see that too, just with a, oops, nice little sundress. Cute little pair of sandals. Got your hair halfway up, or just got your natural hair just flying all over the place. Face all nice, fresh, and clean, but a cute pair of earrings just dangling from your ear. Okay. Run around being a girl. I know that's right. These are really cute. I like these. And I do have some more of the, I got more of these beads. And then that's the thing. I've had these beads for forever. So I went through a couple of these containers that I got with all these beads. And look, I found all these, all the square beads. So I'm going to be making some more of these. So I found these and some other beads. I even found these little beads right here that I really like so much. These little blue ones. I really like these, so I'm going to be making something out of these too. Found a lot of beads that I'm going to use. But this is the earrings for tonight. I was working on some journals and stuff, and I said, well, let me make some earrings and some other stuff real quick, because y'all already know a girl be up in here getting rusty, and I just cannot be doing that, fumbling with my wire. You know better. Ooh, I know better. Okay. So I said, nope, let's make something. But these are the earrings for tonight, and I hope everybody is doing well, and we shall talk soon.